What's up, guys? I have a quick little video for you guys here. This is going to be a rear bumper removal on a Scion XB. Y'all stay tuned, check it out, and let me know what you guys think. So jumping into the video, I started off by removing these little, covers that it had, little tabs. I don't know what you would name these, but we're going to go with covers. It has one on each side. I popped those out, and behind that we have a 10mm bolt. I try to show you guys that this is a 10mm socket, but I don't think the camera caught it in frame. But anyways, I started off by removing these two 10mm. Well, one here and then one here. Then after I did that, I believe I went off to the sides. Yeah. And I removed the 10mm that it has going up top. And then these little things here, you just twist them and then you pry it apart and the screw comes out, or the push and clip comes out. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Then I needed a place to rest my boat somewhere. Did the same thing I did to the other side, I did to this. Again, you just stick your little, you can use a flathead or whatever and just pry it apart like that. Twist and pry, twist and pry. And then I came to the bottom. This is actually a pretty simple bumper, not too much to it. And I was trying to show you guys here that it had one clip there, another one here, and then of course on the opposite side. So after I did that, I began prying them apart. I just got my panel clip removing tool and I just stuck it and wedged it in between the clip itself and pried it apart. These can be pretty stubborn sometimes, so you just have to be patient and keep going at it. And then I just kept missing the hole here. But I pried a little bit off of it, and then it didn't want to come out. Like I said, sometimes they can be stubborn, but you just got to keep attacking it from different angles and it'll eventually pop out. Then I went to the other side, did the same thing, and this one was pretty stubborn, probably the most stubborn out of all of them. And then it looks like it's fully released there, but it's not. It wouldn't come out. I tried doing my hand alone and it wasn't ready to go, so I just pried it apart. Bam! Bye-bye! Then I did the one on the opposite side. And that's pretty much it. Well, if I can get this one off. Come on. There you go. So once I did that, I went, of course, and picked up the other one. I'm not gonna not put it. And then it was time to remove the bumper from the actual car. And this thing, I don't know if you can see there on that corner, it has like that little notch that the bumper kind of slides into, so you got to get it off of that. Once you get it off of that, you should just pry it apart and it'll come right off. You got to snap it out of place, and you got to pry that apart as well. Bam. And then I came to the opposite side, did the same thing. I had put my clip removal tool back in my pocket and I needed it again, so pried it out of its guide, and bam, that's it. I tried to do this, but it didn't even work, so I just went ahead and pulled it apart, and it snaps right off. And then it got stuck on that corner there, and all I did was just put the bumper kind of back in place to where it was, so it can be even, and once you even it out, you can pull it apart from here. And that's it. The bumper comes right off. That's how you remove a bumper on a Scion XB. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys around for more.